Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to content creation and want to learn how to edit your videos using Davinci Resolve 18, stick around because I'm kicking things off with a basic tutorial series in Davinci Resolve. When you open Davinci Resolve, you'll first see your project manager, which is where you'll be able to access all of your current projects. From here, select New Project and give it a name. Now you'll see the Davinci Resolve interface. The Media tab lets you organize your clips, rename them, color code them, and place them into separate bins or folders. The Cut tab is great for quickly editing your videos using a simple interface that includes only the tools you'd need. Now, we move on to the Edit tab, which has a more traditional editing interface, and you can also set it to resemble Premiere Pro, making the transition a lot easier. Once you select this tab, any media you imported in the Media tab will be shown in the top left panel, and the bottom panel will be your timeline. If you need to import anything new, simply open the respective bin, right-click and hit Import. You can also create new bins here by simply right-clicking your mouse and selecting New Bin and naming it. Next, you'll see the Fusion tab to add visual effects and motion graphics. The Color tab is for all your color correction and color grading. The Fairlight tab allows you to edit your audio, music, and sound effects separately from your video. And finally, there is the Deliver tab for exporting your project. Here, you can name the video, select your save destination, and they've even got preset export settings for YouTube, etc. I hope this video helped you get acquainted with Davinci Resolve's interface and you're no longer intimidated by it. In the next video, I'll show you how to trim and add clips to your timeline.